you're doing well. So welcome to my presentation. My name is Nomo Janji. Doing my video using my phone because I tried using my laptop, but apparently it's crashed. It's not recording the screen and the audio. So I thought that this would be the best way for me to work around this. So I'm going to talk about Chrome DevTools, and the best way to learn more about Chrome DevTools is to go on this site here. This is basically a page by Google, and it really goes into depth of what it is all about, and how to use Chrome DevTools on on your pages as you inspect the work that you'll be doing. So I'm gonna use my page as an example, right? And I'm gonna try and go slowly so that I can learn and we can get to teach one another. So this is basically my portal page. This is me there, my name, and everything that we've been working on for the past 3 weeks. Now, for you to be interested as a web developer, as a front-end web developer, it's very important to know how to use Chrome DevTools. If you remember, if you come here, you will see that we have an extension, and one of the extensions that we downloaded earlier in the course is this web developer. It's very important that we have it. It helps us check what's happening with our pages. I think we've seen this as well in one of the videos as we were going through with the office hours. So for instance, if I want to validate before I submit my assignment or any work, I'll validate. For example, I want to validate the CSS for my page, right? The CSS says here, for instance, congratulations, no errors found, which means my CSS is fine, right? Then that's done. What you can do as well is you can check your HTML, right? Local HTML. You can check how's it like, if there are errors, they'll show. Okay, there are errors. Okay, so this is basically the result, right? There are no errors in the document. Remember, in WDD 130, we used to copy the whole thing and paste it on a validator, but we have this opportunity now, to learn that we can use the dev tools to go about to inspect our work before we submit them. Okay, and now another interesting thing that I would like to talk about now is how to use to inspect the whole page. So right now I'm gonna go on inspect. All right, the inspect is gonna put my page on the side. I think we all know this, right? And the way I highlight here is where I am on the elements panel now. It shows, okay, where am I going to concentrate on, what was the links, the body and everything, what's going on, right? So everything that I try to change, it reflects on this side before I go on my VS Studio to change to a permanent change. One of the other things I want to talk about here is, this part is showing the elements, right? You can also show on the like on the phone. This is how my my portal look like, right? And you can also change this side to see this. So this is like an iPhone. You can put it as a mini pad, all right? This is not gonna show as a mini pad. Okay, let's say saying an error there. If I go back and do this, let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. So you can actually change and see which one you can put as an iPhone to show like this. It's an iPhone SE. Okay, so I'm just gonna use an XR because I like it so much, right? So that's how you can change this side to see how it's gonna be on the phone on a small scale. Then you can also reduce and expand your pages by dragging this lines in the middle. So that one I think is pretty straightforward, and the same applies this side as well. Okay, and the same applies this side as well. Okay, sweet. So now the console, right? The console, this is where we write our code. If you want to code anything,